Hello everyone, welcome to the SDET school. Today we are going to do the fourth program of our series 150 Java programs for the SDETs. So before we begin, let me request you to like, comment, share and subscribe. And one more important thing, please don't forget to follow this Instagram ID, the SDET school, where I keep posting important notes and programs. Okay, so now let's move ahead and write our first fourth program, which is write a program to find average of three numbers. Yeah, one more important thing, you don't need to be worried about the notes. I will be posting the notes in the comment section. You can go and download the notes from there as well. Okay, so let's start our today's program. Write a program to find average of three numbers or four numbers, whatever. So the first step is take the input from the user. So let the user is entering four values, for example 7, 8, 10 and 5. So the user is telling us go and find the average of these four numbers. Okay, so from the school we know, right, how to find average. First we will add the four numbers and the result is 30. Now how many numbers are there? Four numbers. So we will be dividing 30 divided by 4 and the result is 7.25. This is our output, right? So what is our input from user? 8, 7, 10 and 5. And what is the output we want? We want 7.25. Okay, so let's start writing this program. Yeah, so what was our first step? Take input from user, right? So we will be taking some inputs from the user. Let's take number 1 equals to, what was our input utils class? Input utils. Oh, one more thing, if you have not watched my previous videos, please watch, where I have explained what is this input utils class. In this class what we are doing, we are creating some reusable methods and we are giving prompt to the user so that we won't have to write again and again the scanner class and enter this value, all these things, right? So what we will do, we will use this input utils class get int and we will say enter, we will say, we will give the user, right, the prompt, which is enter num1, for example. Okay, then we need four numbers, right? Three numbers, four numbers, whatever you want. Just change the variable name num3 and num4, for example. Now let me change the prompt as well. Three numbers, right? Here we are telling three numbers, so let's enter three numbers only. Now what we will do, we will be finding the average, right? So let me print the average, which is double average. Why I'm taking it as double? Because the output can be a decimal number, right? So for decimal, what we take? Double, right? So double average equals to num1 plus num2 plus num3 divided by how many numbers are there? 3, right? So let me put 3. Now I will be printing the average. So I will say this out, average is VC. Okay, so let's run it. So okay, now we are giving the user the prompt saying enter num1. So let the user enters 12. Okay, Now I will say enter num2. So let again the user enters 13. So then I will say enter num3. So let the user enters 10. Now see, the average is 11.0. But what is the sum? 13 plus 12 plus 10. What is the actual sum? 35, right? So when I do 35 divided by 3, it should be 11.66 something, right? But it's giving me 35. Why? Because this num1, this is int, num2 is int, num3 is also int, and I'm dividing it with 3, which is also integer. So there is a rule in Java: if you are adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing a double value with a int value, then your result will be double. Okay, so out of these four values, if I make any one of them as double, then my result can be a double value, right? Then I can get a decimal answer. Otherwise, what it is doing, it is taking the first part, which is 11. Okay, because all my values are int only here. So what I'll do, I'll make this 3 a double value. How can I do that? I can write 3.0. Okay, now let me run it. So 12 plus 10 plus 13. See, now I am getting this output, right? And there is one more way what you can do. You can make this 3 by typecasting. You can make a double. Just write double in a bracket before 3. Now this 3 will be a double value. Now what I will do, I will run this program again. 12, 13, 10. See, the output is the exact average, right? So this is how we can find the average of given amount of numbers. Okay, so thank you. What we will do now, we will take on this program and we will put it here, and it can be useful for you for your revision. I will put these programs in the comments. You can download it and keep revising again and again. All 150 programs will be in your notes. And please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and follow the SDET School on Instagram. Thank you.